Hi, my name is Riley Seifert, and today I'll be talking about how to use Khan Academy in the classroom. So what is it? Khan Academy is an American nonprofit educational organization which offers online tools that help educate students in first grade all the way up to 8th graders, as well as in high school and college. It produces short lessons in the form of videos, along with practice exercises like quizzes. It also supplies materials for both educators and students. How educators can use it. Teachers can assign Khan Academy exercises during class for practice on the topic or standard of the day. They can also assign several resources for students to complete and review at the end of a unit or fill learning gaps from past material. Educators can even assign videos, articles, and/or problem exercises for students to complete outside of class for extra practice. How students can use it. Students can fast forward, rewind, repeat videos, stop, and work out a problem on their own, all without having to consider the other students' or teacher's pace. Students are also able to go back on their own and review a lesson they struggled with in class through educational videos. Kids also have access to lesson practices where they can take quiz-like exercises to test their knowledge or just for repetition. Test prep. Khan Academy also allows for students the access to test prep for important tests including the SAT, the LSAT, and the core praxis. These resources allow for students to become familiar with the formatting and the type of questions that are ultimately on the real test. Through this, students can go back through the results and identify what type of questions they consistently missed so they can learn what lessons they need to work more on. So after creating an account for free, your screen will look like this. By clicking Courses in the top left corner, you will see a variety of subjects and grade levels offered. Since we will be taking the praxis test soon, today we will look at some of the resources provided. If needed, you can take a quick diagnostic test to allow for the system to get an idea of a starting point for where to begin learning. Otherwise, by scrolling down, you have access to overviews, articles, lessons, and videos that cover the math, reading, and writing. Looking over these is a great way to prepare for what to expect on the test. One last great thing is that students and educators have access to Khan Academy 24/7. Also, the organization is constantly updating their resources and curriculum, as well as providing new subject areas for all grade levels. Thank you.